Alright, so we're going to start our next flip video project, which is on tints and shades as well as proportion and perspective, and we're going to have a variety of different videos. So as always, feel free to watch the videos before class, during class, or after class to help better assist you when you're in art. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to discuss, and you should have your packet open to the page number 4, where you're going to be filling out the questions for this video. There's only 2 questions. It's very easy, but it's going to help you remember when we get further along in the instruction. So what is a tint? A tint is a mixture of your pure hue color, which in this case, as you see in the picture, is red, and you're mixing it with white. So a tint, the easiest way for me to remember is you always use white to make a tint. When we use tints in our project, you don't want to start with red. You're going to start with the white color. It's a lot easier to add the darker color to the white and not have it take over. If you start with the darker color and you add white, you're going to add a lot more white to get it a lighter color. So I always start off with the white when I'm making tints, and I do a little tiny bit of red or whatever color it is, and you mix it, and that's when you paint, and then you add a little more red, mix it, paint that, and as you can see, there's a slow progression of the lighter colors going all the way down to the red, and those are tints. Alright, so a shade is when you're adding black. So a shade is a mixture of your hue, your pure hue color, and when you're adding the black, this time, again, which one's the darkest? The darker color is always going to be black in this case. So you'll take your red, that pure color, and you'll add a little bit of black and mix it and then paint that. And then you continue until you get to the darkest shade of red. And so that is how you make a shade. So shade is always, think of shadows outside, they're always dark, and that's how I remember for myself that shade means adding black. Alright, so project expectations, just as a review, since this is our first video, is when you have this project, make sure you always have your packet and complete it and get my approval before you move on. The videos, if you are absent or you are part of another activity such as band, you are responsible for trying to help catch yourself up so that way you're not far behind everybody else in watching the videos and then coming to class not knowing exactly where you should be. So make sure you, if you're in band and you're missing a few weeks here or there, that you watch the videos ahead of time just to get you an idea so you can ask questions of me and I can assist you in that way. But that way you get caught up in class and can get ahead on some of those things. Questions, please, please, as always, refer to the video first. Make sure you watch them. I can tell if you have or haven't. And if you have any other questions, talk to a partner first before you come to me. I will be at the VIP table, and if you need any assistance in skill techniques, you just don't quite understand, you're mixing colors and it's not coming off as right, or you've got different questions about something that you saw in a video, or you need to show me that you completed the certain parts and you get the teacher sign off to move on to the next step. So any of those things, as always in our other projects, that's what I expect, and look forward to seeing how your creations come out.